When we work deep in the cervical spine, it's hard to see what the bony landmarks are when we're working on the body, so we're going to show you here a demonstration on the spine. You want to start with the rotatory, so if you go right in this lamina groove here, and you can use the pads of your fingers, the thumb, whatever works for you. If you just rotate the head as you friction deep into those fibrotic knots, it will help release and decompress the spine. So if you just rotate as you're frictioning, and then just take your thumbs out to the transverse processes and come right in between each transverse process. And this time you're going to be tilting the head back and forth like they're saying, I don't know, ear to shoulder. But just about 10 degrees of lateral tilt is all that's necessary in each one of those transverse processes. Third step is if you come in between each one of these spinous processes, and you can use your two fingers, your peace fingers, right between C6, C7, and just tilt the head, flexion and extension in each one of those. This is a great way to get spontaneous alignment in the cervical region, open up the facet joints, help hydrate the spine, and release any radiating pain going down the arm.